Hi guys. So we're doing our next problem. Problem is, in the diagram below of circle O, radius OC is 5 centimeters. Chord AB is 8 centimeters. And it's perpendicular to OC at point P. Okay. So what we're trying to find is the length of OP. This part. If you know what that is, we want to find that out. So if we want to find out something, we put X. Okay. What we know about chords and radii are that they bisect each other in half, or like they cut each other in half. So we know that even though that entire thing is 8, we can split that into 2, into 4, and 4. Okay. So what we know is that the radii is always 5, so we know that this is also 5. We can pull out this triangle.
The triangle's a princess.
It is a princess.
Or a queen. Just letting you guys know.
So what I'm doing is just taking out the triangle. I'm getting a 5, and I'm putting a 4 here.
You're so professional.
And because it's a because it's a perpendicular bisector, I know that this is a right angle. And so when we have a right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we know that c is always the longest side, so we can plug that in. 5 squared. And it doesn't matter which one you guys put in for the other one. So I'm going to put 4 squared plus b squared. We solve for that. 4 squared is 16 plus b squared is equal to 25.
Are you having a hard time squatting?
I'm having a very, very hard time squatting. I'm really sore right now.
He's going to do a split soon, guys.
I'm going to subtract 16 on both sides.
I'm trying to help him out here, guys.
Yeah, I'm struggling.
He couldn't even pick up the pen before. It was great.
I'm not as good as Mr. Stone. Or Queen Stone.
Yeah, they called me that last year.
So we have b squared is equal to 9. So what we want to do is square root both sides, and we get b is equal to 3. And what we found is that, well, that's b. And we can plug that in for x. Okay? And that's our length of OP. OP is equal to. Alrighty.
Now, our second problem that is all about chords. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I'll probably be singing all about chords, like all about the bass. Now, this one. Circle O, shown below in diagram, chords A, B, and C, D are parallel, and then whatever is up there is on the paper. Now, we learned this about chords. If they're going in the same direction, if they are parallel to each other, then the arcs that is intercepting these two over here, arc AC and BD, they are equal to each other. Congruent math word. So, X, because they're the same. And they want to know the length of BD. They want to know arc BD. This whole circle, we did this before today, guys, is 360 degrees. 360. Now, if I want to know what my little value of x is, just add them all up. 104 plus x plus 168. We got 2x plus, what's 104 plus 168? I did the math here. 272. So 272 is equal to 360. Subtract 272. I gave Mr. Chung the harder one. Sucks for him.
2x.
2x
Equal to
88. 88. So then divide 2. X is equal to 44. So each of these little arcs is 44 degrees. Now, this is what you do. Arc, BD, is equal to 44. You circle it, you bubble it, you cloud it, and then you write yay, because you're done.
Woo!
We are done now. So, all about chords. These are the two main problems you see.